आना बच्चे नहीं है ये तो लिखा है itu Bapak aduh ट्रीटमेंट बाकी है बता रख गाड़ी देना जी जी
आणि आणि आम्हाला काय અરે
કાઢશે.
ના એ એવું જ કરે
ચાલ,
થોડે નહીં
ચાલ.
કાંદે નાખી દે
ઉપર ઉપર કર ને બેટા એનું મોઢું.
સાઈડમાં બેવને ઓલ પાડ દે.
એ બોક્સ એક ખાલી છે બેટા.
હા
એક બોક્સ ખાલી કરો ને ત્યાં મોટા બે
બોલાવે
છે.
છે કોણ છે કે ઓલા?
એક મિનિટ આ મોટું એક આ આપણે તને આપી દે. એક મિનિટ બસ એક આમાંથી એક લે
જરાક ખોલી જરાક ખોલી
હા બસ
થઈ ગયું. હવે એને યાદ
ના, ના, બસ.
નહીં, નહીં,
પછી
એક કામ કરો આ લઈ લ્યો.
કયું? આમાં જુઓ ને આ એક હલશે નહીં, આને આને કાઢી શકો તો જરા વાર
નાનો
લાગે.
વાળો છે પણ કીમા રાખવું એને.
અંકલ આ દવાવાળો ઓળખે દવાવાળો
ફૂલ જીવ આ જીવતું છે, ફૂલ આ ઇન્જર્ડ નથી.
ઠીક કરશે હો.
ડબલ બાઇન્ડર લઈ લો. આયલા બારે.
હવે ધીરે ધવલ રહેવા દે હું આ.
હા બારે આવી ગયા આયલા. छोड़ने का परमिशन दिया है
तो है ना
It was really painful to see this video. Unfortunately, we all are blaming cyclone and strong winds for this. Mumbai lost more than 600 trees recently due to the storm, and we are blaming authorities, but you see, this is not because of cyclone or storms, it is because of improper, unscientific trimming of trees and concretization. It is important that as a citizen we must share this awareness and we can prevent these man-made disasters. It's simple. Concretization is very simple, where due to cement around the trees, roots are not able to penetrate into the ground, and due to little bit of wind they fall off. And yes, for selfish reason we do not trim the trees properly. One-sided cutting of branches will lead the tree to bend otherwise. Please come forward, adopt a tree. Roadside trees are treated like orphans, which is really bad. We have to take care of them, because somewhere we must plant a tree to grow our own oxygen. Requesting all of you to come forward and help protect trees of Mumbai, because that is the only way further. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Chirag from Save Birds team Kandivali. We had received a call for bird rescue during cyclone from Mr. Neeraj Chawlaji. Initially we thought it is just a rescue of 1 or 2 birds. Once we reached the site, we found a lot of birds over there. So we had to call our other team members for the rescue, and once the rescue was done, we gave them the first aid treatment of Betnasol medicine, which you can provide during emergencies. And I would request everyone to please understand the basic treatment, what can be given to birds when you find out, so that just before the bird rescue helper comes for the rescue, or you can just give them the first aid treatment, or else you can call your nearest fire brigade. They will come to help you out, or they will contact the nearest bird helpline number and send them as the earliest. Thank you so much.
We cannot imagine mornings without sounds of birds. In fact, we don't want to imagine such mornings. And अगर आप चाहते हैं कि ऐसा हो, then we'll have to be more responsible, more inclusive, because nature can survive without us. In fact, it will flourish if we're not there. But we cannot survive without the nature. So we need to be mindful. We need to take steps now. We are already late. If we delay things further, हमको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. और कहते हैं ना कि एक बार धागा टूट जाता है, उसको जोड़ते हैं तो उसमें गांठ रह जाती है. तो वी डोंट वांट टू रीच दैट पॉइंट वेयर हम लोग भले ही कुछ करें लेकिन उसका असर अगली जनरेशन पर नज़र आए. ऑल्सो इफ़ यू डोंट हैव टाइम, if you don't have patience, you don't care much about the nature, at least don't take away things from nature. Contribute. माइनस मत करो. इनफैक्ट मैं कहूँगा कि आपको कंट्रीब्यूट करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एक एक दिन से ज़िंदगी हमारे भीतर से कम हो रही है. क्योंकि नेचर यानी ज़िंदगी. नेचर में कुछ घटा तो हम में कुछ घटता है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू बी मोर केयरफुल, बी मोर रेस्पॉन्सिबल, बी मोर इंक्लूसिव and love nature, because nature loves us.